So let me show you step by step how to share folder via Google Drive link. So first step, after you open up your browser, so go to the search and type in drive.google.com. .google. So type in drive.google.com and search. So after you search in, so it will take you to your Google Drive like this one. So the first thing you should do, you click on this My Drive. After you click on My Drive, now you go to this new. So you click on this folder upload. So now it will take you to your PC. So now go and locate the folder that you want to upload. I'll go to my desktop and then I'll scroll to down and select the folder. So I want to upload this folder. After you select the folder like this, you click on this upload button. So you go to upload again. So now here is the folder. Now the folder is uploading. So now here is the folder has finished uploading. So now right click on the folder. After right click on the folder, go to share and then click on the share again. So now you go to this where it says restricted, click on it and go to anyone with this link. So now you copy this link of the folder and you click on this done. So now you copy the link of the folder and you give anyone that have the link to access this folder. So now you go and share the link of this folder to the person that you want him to access your folder in your Google Drive. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.